Hello everybody, welcome to the Tips to Staying Hydrated presentation. My name is Delma Yorimoto. I'll be your educator today. During this presentation, we will discuss the great benefits of staying hydrated by drinking water and healthier drinks. We will have a quiz and tips to help us stay hydrated. The presentation is going to last 10 minutes, so stay tuned and let's get started. Let's talk about water. Water is an excellent choice to staying hydrated. As you can see in the picture, water plays a crucial role in our bodies by regulating temperature, protecting sensitive tissues, eliminating waste, and carrying out other essential functions. A longitudinal study by scientists at Loma Linda University followed 34,000 Californians and found that those who drank 5 or more glasses of water a day had half the risk of dying from coronary heart disease. Water enables the brain to manufacture hormones and neurotransmitters. For example, it helps release dopamine, a feel-good neurotransmitter. Feeling a little down? Maybe a little water can help. It acts as a shock absorber for the brain and spinal cord. This can help reduce pain. Many don't know, but hydration can help a lot with managing chronic pain. It flushes body waste, mainly in urine. For example, it can help eliminate excess sodium in the body through urine. According to the CDC, 75% of adults in the United States are chronically dehydrated, and 50% of children are not hydrated adequately. What might dehydration look and feel like? Bad breath, dark and smelly urine, dry mouth and swollen tongue, headaches, sluggishness and fatigue, sugar cravings. Not great symptoms, but drinking water can help. Let's quiz your knowledge. Grab a pen and paper. I will post a question. Please write down your answers on the piece of paper. And at the end of the quiz, I will prompt you to let me know how you did. Let's get started. True or false? We lose 2 to 3 liters of water a day. True or false? Write your answer down. We lose 2 to 3 liters of water a day through bodily functions. True or false? Write it down. Dehydration can cause drops in energy, mood, and cognitive function. Dehydration can cause drops in energy, mood, and cognitive function. True or false? You need 8 cups of water a day. True or false? You need 8 cups of water a day. The first question is, we lose 2 to 3 liters of water a day through bodily function. That is true. We lose water to sweating, urinating, even speaking. Number 2, dehydration can cause drops in energy, mood, and cognitive functions. This is true as well. Dehydration can affect negatively our brain functions. Number 3, you need 8 cups of water a day. This is a trick question. 8 cups of water can be a reasonable goal, but the amount of water every individual needs factors in their height, weight, age, levels of exercise, overall health, even the outdoors temperatures. You can find out from a registered dietitian what is the amount of water you should be drinking in a day. But as a reference, 8 cups of water is usually what most people should be drinking. However, if you're not there yet, don't try to catch up all at once. Increase your water intake gradually. Everybody is different, so proceed with caution. Somebody may say, it makes me pee too much. Just so you know, it's normal for us to urinate 2 to 8 times a day. The good news is that with time, in most cases, our bodies adapt. One tip is to start increasing our water intake on the weekends or on days that we are not home to have access to a bathroom. How do we know the nutrition information of our drinks? It is important for us to check the nutritional labels and serving sizes on our drinks so that we can learn if the beverages have excess fat, sodium, or sugar. They often do. You'd be surprised. Let's take smoothies as an example. Smoothies are popular. They contain fiber, which is great to regulate functions like digestion and even the sodium levels in our blood. However, we need to keep an eye on portion sizes and added sodium, fat, and sugar and protein. The syrup that is added into smoothies at juice bars can be high in sugar. Additionally, watch out for excess, especially added sugars and salt. Studies have shown that excess sugar contributes to chronic disease, weight gain, and some types of cancers. This is why it is important to check out the nutrition facts label. The serving size is not always the portion that you are given. 1 cup or 1 bottle does not necessarily equate to 1 portion. The numbers that you see on the food label are always for 1 serving. In the example, it says 4 servings. That means if you drink the whole container, then you will need to multiply the numbers given by 4. Let's review other ways to stay hydrated. Number 1, jazz up your water by adding fruits such as lemon, lime, mint, berries to add different flavors. You can also add seltzer to add the fists. Seltzers are especially helpful if you're trying to transition from sodas. Try different temperatures. You may be surprised how much of a difference it makes. You may not like ice cold water, but you may like room temperature water or even hot water. Some studies show that people drink more water in general when they drink room temperature water. Hot water can be soothing for stomach pains, cramps, and also help sinus congestion from the steam rising into the nasal passages. Another tip, recognize the difference between hunger and thirst. Clinical studies have shown that people can mistake thirst for hunger. Ask yourself, when was the last time I ate? Or when was the last time I drank water? Make water more readily available by carrying a reusable water bottle. This way, you will always have water nearby and you can refill it during the day. Set a goal for how many water bottles you can drink per day and keep track of your water intake. One of my clients from Brooklyn shared with me that every Sunday after he wakes up, he fills up a bunch of water bottles and puts them in the fridge. This way, they are readily available when he needs them. Vegetable juices are great and have lots of vitamins, but be aware of the sugar content. A good suggestion is to drink about 6 ounces of vegetable juice a day. If you have any other tips to increasing your water intake, please share your ideas. Thank you. As you can see, drinking water and healthy drinks has countless benefits. I challenge you to give it a try. by carrying a water bottle, infusing your water with fruits and vegetables, keeping track of how much water you're drinking, and much more. It may take time to get used to, but don't give up. The benefits are too great to miss out on. Thank you.